future games, to develop that art and skill where you can hold back teams?
Yeah, especially Pakistan bowlers last couple of years is in the end is ball joker, but they are new boys. Is Yasir Arafat and Rao and other bowlers. They are new. They don't know how to bowl in pressures. But I think it's a good experience for us and our team, and we'll try to learn that.
Now, you've got plenty of cricket coming your way. You go to Sri Lanka very shortly. How's the mood now in the camp? How can you lift the spirits up now, Inzi?
No, definitely we are down, but every series is a new series, and we're working hard in the nets and inshallah produce good result in the Sri Lanka.
All the best, Inzamam.
Thank you.
Pakistani captain Inzamam ul Haq. The focus once again shifts to India. A big award for Rahul Dravid, the Indian captain, Hutch winning bonus award of US 2000 and winning trophy as well to go with it, to be presented by Mr. Rauf Siddiqui and Mr. Ashim Ghosh, Managing Director Hutch, to Rahul Dravid. Man of the series is another check. There are plenty of checks for you tonight. Now the big one for Rahul Dravid. May I ask him to please come forward and receive the bonus award as well as the trophy. Ashim Ghosh, Managing Director Hutch. And may I invite the Governor please to come forward and give away the prizes. Has been a wonderful team effort. India coming back strongly from behind. Well, Rahul, well played, well done. You came from behind and well, you got in there with a lot of courage, power. In the end, 4-1, not a bad result at all.
Yeah, I'm very proud of my team. I think the way the whole team, the support staff, the coaching staff, and the whole squad we had here, the way we responded, after the Karachi test has been brilliant, and I'm just really proud to lead that bunch of boys.
What were being told to them by you? Batting well, bowling. Was it the entire thing? Were you looking at the mind games, or were you looking for some skill level?
Well, we thought we played well even in the test matches, except for that one week in Karachi when we didn't do that well. So there was always the confidence level was high, the spirit was good in the group. We worked hard on staying together as a group. We worked hard on our practice routines. And the guys responded beautifully to the challenges that were thrown to us against a good team, that Pakistan is.
And your team seemed to enjoy the challenge as well, which is another good aspect of this team.
Yeah, it was fantastic. We threw different challenges to different people. We moved them in different places in the batting order, and all of them really responded to it. There's a good buzz in this group. The boys are really enjoying playing their cricket, and winning really helps.
And it must make you doubly happy. The youngsters have performed under pressure.
Yes, definitely. I think, all the young guys that we've given opportunities to, they've really come good. And especially in pressure situations, they've shown a lot of maturity beyond their years. And that's been a great sign for us. What does this mean to you now? You won the one-day series. There's England waiting for you. Obviously, you'll be in good frame of mind to tackle them. Yeah, it's nice to win this one-day series. That really helps. But what really helps, I think, is the way we've developed the squad and some of the positives we've seen. I think in the journey that we're trying to take, I think that's really the positives that have come out of this series. England's a great challenge for us, exciting. It's great for us for our boys to playing against a great team like England, and we're looking forward to it. Well, enjoy it, Rahul Dravid. Well done. Ramesh, just on behalf of the Indian cricket team, I'd like to thank Inzamam and his boys for a truly enjoyable series. I think it was played in great spirits, and they beat us in the Test series, but we came back well. I'd like to thank the PCB for their support right through the 6 weeks. We were really well looked after here in Pakistan, and they've made this a really pleasure for us. And to all the crowds that came out and supported the cricket, thank you very much. We've enjoyed coming to Pakistan, and we hope to be back soon. Pleasure hosting you, Rahul Dravid. Well, there you have it. India winning this one-day series 4-1 quite comprehensively. Pakistan have got a lot of work ahead of them. That is what we have from the presentation ceremony out here.
Thank you very much, Ramesh. Time for a short break here on Straight Drive. But when we come back, we'll be listening to Bob Woolmer, the Pakistani coach, and also talking to Greg Chappell, the Indian coach. And also we'll be looking at collectively the strengths and weaknesses, what went right for India and what didn't quite go right for Pakistan.